The Pixel 10 Pro XL is no longer a mystery. Google has officially confirmed the details, and reliable leaker Evan Blass has revealed the entire Pixel drop, giving us a clear look at every model in the Pixel 10 lineup, from the base Pixel 10 to the top-tier Pro XL. One of the first things Google is highlighting is battery life. They claim more than 24 hours on a single charge, although they haven't revealed the exact battery capacity. What's more surprising is the new Pixel Snap Wireless Charging Qi 2, which will work not only on the Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL, but also on the base Pixel 10, a feature you wouldn't usually expect in the entry model. The only one missing out is the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, which will not receive this wireless charging upgrade. Performance sees some clear upgrades. The Pro and Pro XL models will have a generous 16GB of RAM, while the base Pixel 10 will pack 12GB. Powering them all is Google's new Tensor G5 chip, now built by TSMC instead of Samsung Foundry. This shift is aimed at improving efficiency and thermals, though in raw benchmark scores, the chip still lags behind performance beasts like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. For Pixel fans, that's not a deal breaker. Google's strength has always been in AI features and software optimization, rather than chasing the highest performance numbers. Photography remains one of the Pixel's biggest selling points, and the Pixel 10 lineup takes it further. The Pro and Pro XL now offer up to 100x zoom, putting them in the same league as Samsung's top flagships, and they'll record in crisp 8 Kelvin resolution. The base Pixel 10 isn't being left behind. It's gaining a third rear camera for the first time with an 8-megapixel telephoto lens that allows 20x zoom. It also retains last year's excellent 42-megapixel selfie camera and 4 Kelvin video recording, making it a surprisingly well-equipped entry model. From the back, though, you might not notice much difference. Google has kept the familiar camera bar design across all models. Speaking of design, teasers confirm that the launch is just 15 days away, and the Pixel 10 series looks almost identical to the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Flat edges, a glossy glass finish, and a premium feel are still there. The main changes are fresh color options. A 360-degree preview confirms minimal exterior changes, and in true Google fashion, the company couldn't resist taking a playful jab at Apple, pointing out how Apple often teases AI features that take a year to roll out, while Google delivers them on day one. As for pricing, leaks suggest the Pixel 10 Pro XL will start at $1,199 for the 256GB version, with the 512GB model priced at around $1,319 and the top-tier 1TB option hitting about $1,549. That's a slight increase compared to last year's 128GB base model, but in terms of storage for price, it stays competitive. Of course, no launch is perfect. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold misses out on Qi 2 wireless charging, and the Tensor G5 still can't match Qualcomm's latest chips in pure speed. But with Google's focus on AI, photography and everyday usability, the Pixel 10 series is shaping up to be one of the most interesting smartphone launches of the year. With just 2 weeks until release, anticipation is building fast. Expect smarter AI, better cameras, improved charging, and a familiar yet polished design. If you want the latest updates as they drop, now's the time to keep an eye out. Google's about to make its big move. Make sure to subscribe to us for more updates. See you in the next one.